What's up? Steven here. I've been working in the crypto generation space for close to 5 years now, constantly evaluating different apps and platforms. And honestly, YouTube is saturated with scam services. Like genuinely, probably 78% of what gets promoted is pure scam. Honestly, legitimate platforms are extremely rare, but this app is one of the few genuine ones. Been using them around 14 months now, over a year easily. Zero sketchy behavior, all remains clean and understandable, and performance stays solid. Okay, flashusdt works like this. You're generating tokens that look identical to real Tether in your wallet. Same visual identity, matching ticker, everything displays the same. The key, you set the parameters, transfer count limits, how long they exist, daily caps. It's just perfect for testing applications, observing actual token movement, experimenting with DeFi setups, all without risking real crypto. All right, let me walk through this. So first step is token quantity selection. There are 4 packages available, each showing cost and recommended use cases and best scenarios. So let's take this package. Good, now I'm setting visibility duration, ranges from 1 hour to 7 days. And for this example, I'm going with 12 hours. Good. So next I choose network and input target address for USDT generation. So just selecting TRC20 here, switching to wallet, copying my address, back to platform, pasting it. Yep, perfect, everything aligns. Good, and the final step is clicking Buy Flash. Nice. 2 payment options, send directly to special address or connect wallet. So connecting wallet is simpler for me now. Okay, choosing my wallet, waiting. And yes, excellent. 500K tokens generated and sent directly to me. Now just waiting for balance confirmation. And while confirmation happens, let me break down what actually separates this platform from the absolute flood of scam you see everywhere online. The fundamental difference I've identified after testing maybe 30 plus different services is how they treat user tokens and what you actually receive in return. Most platforms in this space operate on what I call the confusion profit model, where they make everything deliberately unclear so users don't realize they're getting scammed until it's too late. They'll just advertise flash USDT generation, you pay whatever they're charging, and then you receive either nothing at all or tokens that don't actually function on any real blockchain. But this app operates completely transparently. When you generate tokens here, they're created through actual smart contracts deployed on real blockchain networks, meaning every single transaction is independently verifiable through public explorers that have nothing to do with the platform itself. That verification capability alone eliminates probably 90% of scam platforms because they literally cannot provide it, since nothing real is happening on their back end. Most guys aren't trying to become blockchain experts. They just want basic understanding without financial risk attached. But the problem is crypto feels inherently dangerous because mistakes are usually permanent and costly. The platform solves that specific problem by providing completely safe learning environment where you interact with real blockchain technology but without any financial consequences attached to errors. You just learn transaction mechanics through actual practice and recognize common mistakes before they cost you real money. It's practical education through hands-on interaction rather than theoretical reading, and that type of learning builds genuine competence instead of just superficial knowledge. Plus, you develop confidence. Once you've successfully executed transactions multiple times in a safe environment, the intimidation factor vanishes completely when you eventually handle real assets. You're operating from experience rather than fear. So, links in the pinned comment and description. Later, guys.